Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the updated version and how you can delete your Roblox account. So first off, open up your Roblox app on your Android device, and then just have to log in with your account. And once you're here, as you can see, just need to tap on the three dots more button right here at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then from here, scroll down until you find settings. So tap on settings, and then here go to privacy. So once you tap on privacy, from here, you just need to scroll down until you find an options which says initiate account deletion. So scroll down till the bottom and you'll find here initiate. So tap on this initiate button. So right from here, and once you tap on this one, you will now directly go to help.roblox.com. Then you'll find this article. It says, how do I deactivate or delete my account? So under the account or account deletion right here, as you can see, this can only be done by making or completing the form right here. So tap on the support form button, and then from here, just need to complete the details, your contact info, your username, first name, email ad, and the issue details. What device are you having the problem? So Android phone. So here, just need to scroll down and select, I want to delete my account. Same right here at the bottom. And then you can just basically describe the issue why you want to delete your account. And once done, tap on continue and confirm your account deletion. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.